Okay, Mr. Bill Adams from Wisconsin and his 457. Here comes Bill from your right. And a 2, 3, and a 4-point roll on takeoff. And back down on the deck he goes again, and up he comes right over on his back, just less than 10 horsepower. Yeah, Bill is a low-level man now, coming on back down to that. Day in the morning, the woods and meadows are taking the day. Just listen at that engine. And he rolls it right on up to the quarter turn, and he's stalling out. That airplane was strictly motionless and into a hammerhead stall. Now right back up with a twisting, turning right on up. That's what horsepower will do for you, and he kicks that stick forward just before she stalls out. 450 horses. This airplane originally was a trainer, had a 220 horsepower Continental engine in it, I believe it was a radial. This airplane has been stressed. Oh, how it has been beaten up. It takes punishment that Bill Adams gives to it. Climbing on up to his altitude now. Bill Adams, Menominee, Wisconsin. I don't know whether that's correct pronunciation or not. But anyhow, he's one of the 3 mates. Okay, Bill rolls it over now. About 220 miles an hour. 220 miles an hour is Bill's max speed. This is about it. Up. And over on the back, he's going to kick it around. And he does a double snap roll on top. And a heart shape it is. Look at that trimming roll. And he snaps it again to the right, a double snap roll again. The stresses on this airplane range anywhere from about 3 to 6 G's. About 4 negative and 6 positive. For the benefit of you fly pilots. All right, this is Bill back again now. Maximum speed on most of these. There's smoke. There he goes. Triple snap roll, ladies and gentlemen. A triple snap roll. Okay, Bill is climbing up for altitude now. I would say that this would be warranting an outside loop. This is where you get the better than 4 G is negative. Bill is up, and there he is. He's got the nose coming on around. Great day in the morning. It's a square outside. There he is on the bottom. I see it, ladies and gentlemen, but I don't believe it. I see it. I don't believe it. A square outside loop. Done by Bill Adams, the first time I've ever seen that done. About 4 times the weight of Bill Adams pulling on that seat belt. A square outside loop. I've seen it done circular, but that's the first time I've seen him square it. All right, he's still on his back now. Let's see. He's going to try to roll it on around. Let's see if he can do it. There it is. That's a tremendous point right there. That's nothing in the world. How about that? Okay, Bill is still upstairs. Coming on back down now. Speed again. About 220 to 240 miles an hour. Snap roll. He's still going. He's still snapping. He's still in a snap, and he's staying. Morning, if If I hadn't have seen it, I wouldn't have believed it. And back down now, slow. Get so excited I can't even describe it. There's a 1.5 snap. Goes back around the bottom. That is the most powerful sounding engine I've ever heard. Okay, Bill is up on top now. Let's see what he's got. Very slow. He's very, very slow. Not too much horsepower coming in the engine. Back around the backside. Giving the people on the highway a little thrill. All right, watch this hammerhead now. Listen. That airplane has stopped. That plane completely stopped, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, my goodness, he's back down on the deck. It's at 220 miles an hour. Very beautiful knife edge, and he rolls it right on the rim. You don't think that is not a strain on a pilot to do a knife edge like that? You ought to try riding sideways in your automobile. And then everything is straight. Not too much time lost in gaining altitude in this aircraft. 450 horsepower does a very beautiful job to this airplane. It gives it plenty of power for the maneuvers and all. Okay, Bill is up high now. And he goes to a 1.5 from a knife edge and a slow 3/4 back. And rolls it right on around. Puts it in a knife edge, does a 1 3/4, and then does a 3/4, and just rolls it on around. Oh, wait a minute, that airplane is, whoa, Bill. That was doing it the hard way. Okay, Bill Adams. That's right. Bill Adams. All right, there we go. He's on his back. Flip step on the back. Slow roll back. All right, let's see what he's going to do here now. Nose is up. That's what is known as slow roll back. Okay, now watch it. You'll see it stand still. You'll stand almost perfectly still. There it is. Perfectly still. That's the most beautiful hammerhead stall I've ever seen in my life. Not Bill, the airplane. Back on the deck. Gosh, this guy works close to the deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How about that for a 9-point roll? Pass across. That's what it looks like to fly upside down. Now pull it up. You're coming to the highway, Bill. After boy. Ladies and gentlemen, there is Bill Adams coming in. Let's give Bill Adams a big hand. What do you say? Let's hear it.